In next 5 minutes, I will walk you through the everything you need to know about audit log retention policy in Microsoft Purview. We will explore the default retention settings, how to modify the retention period, and how you can retain user log for up to 10 years to meet the security and the compliance requirement. Additionally, I will cover the licensing requirement needed to ensure the 10-year retention period, and stay tuned as I guide you step by step through the entire process. What is audit log retention? Audit log retention policy determine how log audit are stored in the Microsoft 365 before it's deleted. These log capture activities like a user sign-in, file access, and the administrative changes, critical for the compliance and security monitoring. Default retention policy. So by default, Microsoft retain audit logs for a different duration based on the licensing. 180 days for most of the users like Office 365 E3 or any kind of a business plans. It stores for 180 days. 1 year for user with the Office 365 E5 license or Microsoft 365 E5 or E5 compliance add-ons license. So these license users will have audit logs retained for 1 year. You need a E5 license, plus there is an add-on license that is 10-year audit log retention add-on license, that also you need to purchase and assign to the user to retain the audit logs for up to 10 years. Now you can see the purview.microsoft.com. You can open this from your admin.microsoft.com and go to the compliance. Here is the name is compliance, but when you click it will become a Microsoft Purview. So here under this homepage you will get the solution, and then you need to click on the audit log. Once you hear audit logs, then click on the policies and create audit retention policy. So here is the audit retention policy. I will create one policy here. Policy name, I will give you something 10-year retention policy. 10-year retention for admin activities. I'll just type, okay. 10-year retention policy. Description would be the same, just for the testing. And the user, I will take any one user, random user. I have a lot of them, so I'll take record type. Now the record type is like if you select any one of these, then it will retain the logs only those. You don't need to select all of them. If you keep it blank, then it will retain your all logs, okay. Or if you want a specific, then you can go with specific. Otherwise, if you not selecting any one of them, then it will select all, like it will capture all logs for a next duration, like whatever the duration, use it. So duration is, you can say 7 days, 30 days, and you can go up to 10 years. So you can set the 10 years. The assigned priority number is the 1 is the highest and the 10 is the lowest. So you can go with the 1 if you want to know the priority, and then assign and the save. So that's it. This is what you need to do if you want to retain your retention logs, like audit logs for the next 10 years. This is not a big thing. The big thing is you need to have a E5 license plus extra add-on license to maintain these logs for next 10 years. That's it for today's guide on audit log retention in Microsoft 365 Purview. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Microsoft 365 content, and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.